Kedi telepon oynama. This is Turkish. It means like cat don't play with the phone. Don't play phone. How can I say in bahasa in Indonesia?
Cing.
Cing. Cing is like kucing, dears. Kucing is means cat, kedi. But when Indonesian people just say like the shortest one, so we just say cing cing. It means like kucing, cat. Cing. Telepon oynama. Don't play with phone. Don't play.
Jangan main telepon.
Ya, jangan main telepon. Don't play telephone. Don't play telephone. With telephone, it means like this. But we just say jangan main telepon. Jangan main. Jangan. When we want to say don't is always use jangan in Indonesia. Jangan. For example, I want to say don't eat. How can I say in bahasa?
Jangan makan. Jangan makan.
Yeah, jangan makan. Don't eat. Jangan makan. When I say don't play. Sorry.
Jangan main.
Yeah. When I say jangan main. Right? When I say don't play. I'm sorry. When I want to say don't play. It means jangan main. Oynama. Oynama. Jangan. So we use jangan for don't. For example, another example, I want to say don't sleep.
Jangan tidur.
Jangan tidur, ya. We say always jangan. Yani Ibu, uyuma. Jangan. Jangan. Uyuma. Jangan tidur. When I want to say another example, jangan.
Don't walk.
Yeah, don't walk. How can I say in bahasa?
Jangan berjalan.
Yeah.
Berjalan.
Jangan jalan. We use the basic word.
Okay.
Yeah, jangan jalan. We just say like that. For example, I want to say don't smoke. Don't smoke. Don't smoking, yeah. Don't smoking or don't smoke on this area. Don't smoke on this area, for example. Area. Yani sigara içme. Sigara içme. Sigara içme. This means jangan merokok di area ini. On this area, di area ini. We use merokok here because merokok is the verb. If just say rokok, it becomes noun. So jangan merokok di area ini. For example, don't what ya?
Don't write.
Yeah, don't write. Don't write. How can I say in bahasa?
Tulis. Jangan
Ya,
tulis.
jangan tulis. Exactly. Jangan tulis. Don't write. Yani Bu, demek yazma. Don't write. Jangan tulis. Okay? Okay. Is there any question? Yep. O zaman burada telepon oynama, yani don't play with phone, it means jangan main telepon. So this one, the B. The answer is B. Jangan main. Okay. Okay. This one. How is in Indonesia? This clean, this dirty. Temis, kirli. Bersih, kotor. Ya, bersih, kotor. So in bahasa we say bersih, it means clean, temis, kotor, dirty, kirli ya. Bersih, kotor. Clean, dirty. What is rapi? Rapi?
Rapi, neat.
Yeah, needs tidy ya, needs tidy. Berantakan,
Mess.
mess. Ya, berantakan mess.
In Turkish o şekilde. Dağınık. Ha?
Evet. Pintar. Pintar ne demek? What is the meaning of pintar?
Smart.
Smart. Ya, smart. Clever, right? Pintar. Zeki demek. Bodoh. What is bodoh?
Stupid.
Ya, stupid. Aptal ya, masalah terusnya sih. Stupid, doro. Panjang, what is panjang?
Long.
Long, huh? What is pendek?
Short.
Short. Exactly. So, but in bahasa, we little bit different between horizontal and vertical. For I want to say long, it's like horizontal, we say. In bahasa, we say panjang. Panjang. But when I want to say in vertical, like height. Vertical, we say tinggi.
Tinggi.
Yeah. For example, like this. Boyun, like my height, tinggiku, right? Tinggiku is my height, right? Panjangku olmaz. Mesela Türkçesi genelde diyor boyum uzun böyle yüksek değil mi?
Yes.
Ha, bu biraz farklı. Çünkü panjang bu uzun demek, uzun. Tinggi yüksek demek, yüksek. Ama boyun için yani tinggi, my height bu tinggi diyoruz. İngilizce gibi. Ama Türkçesi yüksek değil mi? Mesela o adam çok uzun böyle diyor değil mi? Mesela Türkçesi.
Yes. Adam uzun.
Ya, it's a little bit different. Uzun yani panjang in bahasa, but it's specific for horizontal. For vertical, we say tinggi. Yeah.
For example, tree is high. So, what is in Bahasa? Tree.
Oh, tree? What is tree?
Ağaç yüksek. Uzun.
Tree. Oh, tree. Yeah. Okay. Tree is hey. Ağaç uzun değil mi? Mesela Türkçesi uzun diyor. Ama Indonesia tinggi. Pohonnya, I mean like the tree. Pohonnya tinggi. The tree is high.
What about snake is long? Snake is long.
Yeah, snake is long. For example, snake is long. Ularnya, the snake, for example, the specific snake, ularnya tinggi. Tinggi, panjang, sorry. Panjang. Because horizontal. Yeah. Okay. So it's the same like English. But when I explain in Turkish, it's a little bit confusing. So long means panjang. Panjang is horizontal. For height, it means tinggi. This for vertical. Okay. So in opposite meaning, pendek. Pendek means this also for horizontal. It means in English we say short, yeah, for short, right? But this is horizontal. Ini kesa. But in vertical we say rendah. It's for vertical. It's also short. The meaning is short. Kesa ama vertical.
Okay.
You got what I mean?
Yes.
So it's different in bahasa. For example, panjang. So the opposite of panjang is pendek. The opposite of tinggi is rendah. So like, yeah, we differentiate in bahasa, we differentiate between horizontal and vertical to say panjang, pendek, tinggi, rendah. Okay, you got what I mean?
Yes, miss.
Okay, thank you. We will continue to the 10 the question. Wait. Okay, Aisyah. So the 9, the nomor 9 is the answer is bersih, kotor. Bersih is means clean, kotor is means dirty. Bersih, kotor. For the 10th question, Aisyah rajin belajar, tapi Sarah malas belajar. What is the meaning of this?
Rajin belajar
Yeah.
studies.
Yeah. Rajin belajar is rajin is means hardworking. Yeah, caleskan.
Belajar students. Belajar students.
Belajar orang make study. So when I say Aisyah rajin belajar, it means like she studies a lot, like hardworking, hard studying, studying a lot. Aisyah rajin belajar. Tapi it means but, ama, Sarah malas belajar. What is the meaning of malas?
Lazy.
Lazy, lazy, tembel. Yani orang make izin tembel. Sarah malas belajar. So the answer is nilai. What is nilai? Nilai.
Core. Points.
Points. Puan. Points. Nilai Aisyah should be lebih tinggi dari nilai Sarah, right?
Yes.
Aisyah's points points, it should be higher than Sarah. Because Aisyah is hardworking for studying, and Sarah is lazy to study. Aisyah is very diligent to study, but Sarah is lazy to study. So the answer should be Aisyah's point is higher than Sarah's, right? Nilai Aisyah lebih tinggi dari nilai Sarah. So the answer is B. What is A? Nilai Aisyah lebih kotor. Lebih kotor. What is lebih kotor means?
Lebih kotor, more dirty.
Yeah, more dirty. So when Indonesian lebih and then adjective, it looks like more plus adjective. For example here, lebih kotor. Lebih kotor. Example, lebih kotor, it means more dirty. Here, lebih tinggi. Lebih tinggi.
Higher.
Higher. Lebih sehat. What is lebih sehat means?
Healthier.
Healthier. Exactly. Healthier.
Daha sağlıklı.
Daha sağlıklı. Bu H var mı? Yok mu? Healthier. Healthier.
Yeah. There is.
Yeah, there is, right? Okay. Terbaik. When I say terbaik here, it means the best. Yeah, the best. For superlative. Ter. For example, ter. And then adjective, it becomes like most, the most. And terusnya sih. Adjective. Bu Yani daha, Sondra Sepat. Daha mana? Bu N. For example, terbaik. It means the best in English. NE. For I want to say tercantik. What is the meaning of tercantik?
The most beautiful.
Yeah, the most beautiful. The most beautiful. And Guzel. Ter. Okay. Is there any question? Ada pertanyaan?
For example, terpanjang. It means the longest.
Yes.
Terpanjang.
Terpanjang. It means the longest. Exactly. And uzun. Okay. Or I can say also paling. Paling and sonra adjective. And then adjective. It's also the meaning is the same, like ter. For example, I say paling baik. So it also means the best. And e. The same meaning. For example, I'll say paling panjang. It means also the longest. And uzun. So for superlative, I can say ter or paling. The same meaning. Okay. Is there any question? Sorular var mı? Yuk. Kita lanjutkan. Devam edelim. So I just want to say for comparative, we say lebih and then adjective. For superlative, we say ter and then adjective, or I can say paling and then adjective. So it's the same meaning. This is for superlative. The same. I can say paling cantik or tercantik. I can say one of them. Okay. Kita lanjutkan. Pertanyaan nomor 11. Warna daun di musim gugur kuning. What is the meaning of warna daun?
Warna is color.
Ya,
Daun.
warna is color.
Warna daun, color of the leaf.
Ya, leaf.
Yaprak.
Yaprak. Aynen. Yaprak. Rank. Warna daun, the color of the leaf, di musim gugur. What is musim gugur mean?
Autumn.
Autumn. Autumn.
Sonbahar.
Sonbahar. Kuning. What is kuning?
Yellow.
Yellow. Sara ya. So, warna daun di musim gugur kuning. The color of the leaf when autumn is yellow, right? Warna daun di musim gugur kuning. Jika, what is jika means?
If.
If. If, jika di musim semi deh, Demek, what is musim semi?
Spring.
Spring. Musim semi, spring. It means ik bahar ya. So, warna daun di musim gugur kuning. The color of the leaf when autumn is yellow. If, jika di musim semi, if in the spring, daun berwarna, what is the color of the leaf? Of the leaf. Daun berwarna nokta, bla bla bla.
Hijau.
What is the color? Yeah, hijau. So hijau means?
Hijau means green.
Green, exactly. Yes, ya. So the color of the leaf when springtime is green, right?
Yes.
So the answer is D, hijau. Borda, yani sonbahar yaprak reng bu sare. Apa misalnya ikbahar hanggi reng boleh yaprak. O zaman burada yeşil, hijau. Okay. So warna daun di musim gugur kuning, jika di musim semi daun berwarna hijau. Okay. What is the meaning of putih?
White.
White.
Yeah.
Yeah. Putih is white. Bias. What is the meaning of coklat?
Brown.
Brown, ya. Brown. Bu, kaferenggi ya. Sometimes in Indonesia we say coklat and coklat. What is coklat? Means?
Coklat is chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate, right? Chocolate. Cikolata. Chocolate. So we say chocolate for bronze. Brown. Kaferenggi. Is there any question? Ada pertanyaan? Sorular var mı?
Tidak ada.
Tidak ada. Kita lanjutkan ya. Nomor 12. Pertanyaan nomor 12. Di sana, sholat subuh pada pukul berapa? Nah, Demek, what is the meaning of this?
At what time the morning prayer is?
Yeah,
Morning is there.
exactly, there. At what time the morning pray there, right? Di sana means there, orada. Sholat subuh. Sholat subuhnya Demek, sholat subuh.
Morning salat or morning prayer.
Sabah namazı değil mi? Pada pukul berapa? Pada pukul berapa, yakni saat kaçta? Pada pukul berapa? At what time? At what time? Saat kaçta? Teman-teman, orada sabah namazı saat kaçta? Ada. Saat kaçta sabah namazı orada. Di sana sholat subuh pada pukul berapa? At what time the morning pray there? What is the answer? Di sini, here, sholat subuh pada pukul pada pukul 5:04 pagi. This C, right? C.
Yes.
C. Di sini, it means here, sholat subuh, morning pray, at pukul 5:04. What is the meaning of 5:04?
5:15. Quarter past 5.
Quarter past 5. Past 5. 5:15. Exactly. Bu, misalnya Turkçe sih beş çeyrek geçiyor ya?
Yeah.
Beş çeyrek geçiyor. 5:04. Seperempat means quarter or çeyrek. Seperempat diurus. 5:04. 5:15. Di sini, here, salat subuh, morning pray, at, pada, it means like at 5:15 or quarter past 5 pagi, in the morning. So the answer is C. Okay. Is there any question?
Answer is not B because there's sore, right? Yes. Di sini
Yeah.
salat subuh pada pukul 4:30 sore.
Bu, yalnız false because it's sore, right? Sore is means akşam, maghrib, sore, evening. So this one is false because salat subuh, morning pray, is impossible in the evening, right? So it should be in the morning. Sabah, pagi.
Pada pukul 4:30, it means 4:30, right? 4:30.
4:30, yeah, 4:30, exactly. When I say 4:30, it means 4:30. Ini bucuk ya? 4:30. We say 4:30. Setengah is means half.
For example, half of apple. Setengah
apel. Half of apple, we say setengah. We say setengah apel is little bit weird. Setengah apel. We say sebagian for the things like sebagian, setengah apel. It can be, but sometimes we just say more sebagian, we say. For example, I say half of apple. We can say setengah apel, but little bit weird in Indonesian ears. We say like sebagian. Yeah, sebagian. We say sebagian. Okay. And then the nomor 13, apa yang sedang monyet lakukan? What is the meaning of this?
What is the monkey doing?
Yeah, what is the monkey doing? Monyet, it means monkey. So we say Monyet. Monkey. Maimun ya? Maimun. Boleh mi? Yazio.
Yes.
Oke. Maimun. So, apa yang sedang monyet lakukan? It means Maimunnya pure, boleh. Apa yang sedang monyet lakukan? What is the monkey doing? So, the answer is
B.
B. Monyet sedang tertawa, right? So, the answer is B. Tertawa. What is tertawa mean?
Laugh.
Laugh. Exactly. Laugh. Gulmek. What is menangis? Menangis.
Menangis, cry.
Menangis, cry. Menangis, it means cry. Cry alamak ya. And what is makan pisang? Makan pisang.
Eating banana.
Eating banana, exactly. Eating banana. Muz. Ya, Mek ya. Monyet sedang sedih. What is sedih means?
Upset. Sad.
Sad. Yeah. Sad. Uzgun. So the answer is B. Monyet sedang tertawa because the picture is showing that monyet sedang tertawa. The monkey is laughing. Sedang tertawa. Okay. Sedang here to indicate this the present. Şimdiki zaman için. Laughing. Okay. And then is there any question? Tidak ada. Kita lanjutkan Deva Medelim. Nomor 14. Saya sedang buru-buru pergi ke sekolah. What is buru-buru means? Buru-buru.
In hurry. Be in hurry.
In hurry. Exactly. Acele ya Türkçesi ya. Buru-buru.
Buru is verb. Acele ediyorum.
Burung, bird.
Buru.
But it's different. Buru-buru it means acele. In hurry.
In hurry.
Yeah. In hurry. Acele. Buru-buru. Sadece buru.
Sadece buru, yes. Sadece buru. Is it a verb or no? There is no.
There is. Memburu. Memburu. It means like hunting. When I say memburu, hunting.
Okay, see.
It's different meaning. It becomes different meaning.
Okay,
But when I say memburu, it means hunting. When I say buru-buru, it means hari. In hari. Yeah, it's different. So, saya sedang buru-buru pergi ke sekolah. It means I'm in hurry to go to school, right? Saya sedang buru-buru pergi ke sekolah karena bangun kesiangan. What is the meaning of bangun kesiangan?
I woke up late.
Yeah, I woke up late. Kesiangan, siang it means like gundus ya, oilen, siang. But when I say bangun kesiangan, it means like I woke up late. Woke up late. Bangun kesiangan. So what is the match between this question and the answer? Saya sedang buru-buru pergi ke sekolah. It means like I'm in hurry to go to school because I woke up late. So
nanti kita.
Ya, nanti kita bicara lagi ya. Sampai jumpa. So because I woke up late, so later we will talk again. Kita bicara lagi ya. Nanti kita bicara lagi ya. We will talk later again. See you. Sampai jumpa. See you. Okay. So the answer is A. Why not B? Sekarang ayo kita bergosip. What is the meaning of this? Let's gossip.
Dedikodu yapıyorum. Dedikodu
Yapalım demek.
yapalım. Evet.
Evet, doğru. Şimdi hadi dedikodu yapalım böyle demek. Sekarang ayo kita bergosip. Bu yalnız çünkü o acele. Okula gitmek için acele değil mi? O yüzden nanti kita bicara lagi ya. Ini sonra tekrar konuşacağız. Görüşürüz like this. Nanti kita bicara lagi ya. Sampai jumpa. So later we will talk again. See you. But B is false because See, I don't have enough time. Why I should be gossiping with my friend? And then what is C? Terima kasih. Terima kasih is not suitable to answer this question because terima kasih is means thank you. And then capek deh. Capek deh is also not suitable for this question. It means like capek deh is means like yeah, yoruldum yani. Yoruldum. Okay. Is there any question? So the answer is A. Saya sedang buru-buru pergi ke sekolah. I'm in hurry to go to school karena bangun kesiangan because I woke up late. So, nanti kita bicara lagi ya. Later we will talk again. Sampai jumpa. See you. Oke. Okay? This one. Hobim gazete okumak. My hobby is read a magazine, right? And then gazete boleh, gazete newspaper ya. Dia mana? Newspaper ya ada magazine, gazete. Newspaper. Newspaper, right? Yeah, newspaper. My hobby is reading a newspaper. Her sabah gazete okurum. Every morning I read newspaper. So how can I say in bahasa Indonesia?
Hobiku
membaca koran. Ya, yeah, exactly. Hobiku membaca koran. Setiap pagi aku membaca koran. So the answer is C. My hobby is reading a newspaper. Every morning I read newspaper. Oke. Okay. Hobiku membaca koran. Setiap pagi aku membaca koran. My hobby reading newspaper. Every morning I read newspaper. Hadi, cinema da film izleyelim. Let's watch film on cinema. How can I say in bahasa?
Hadi means ayo.
Ya, ayo. Menonton. Ya.
Cinema means di bioskop.
Di bioskop, exactly. So, di. Ayo menonton film di bioskop. Bioskop yang di cinema, demek. Cinema. Let's watch film on cinema. Ayo menonton yani watching, izlemek, film di bioskop. Bioskop is mean cinema. Okay. What is the meaning of toko? Toko is
alışverişle alakalı şey galiba. Alışveriş merkezi tarzı bir şey mi? Ya da
Evet, doğru. Toko. Alışveriş merkezi böyle. Toko diyoruz. Like store. In English we say store.
store.
Yeah, store. What is rumah makan?
Restaurant.
Restoran, lokanta. Yeah, lokanta. Why not B? Because this lihat. What is lihat mean?
See, huh?
See, yeah. See, look, bakmak. But burada izlemek, kan? Watch. O yüzden burada menonton. Menonton. Because watching. Saya ingin makan ketupat. What is the meaning of this?
Ingin, I want.
Yeah.
Saya ingin to eat ketupat.
Yeah.
Food.
I want to eat ketupat. Ketupat, this one. Have you ever eaten ketupat before, Ablala?
No.
Ah,
I guess.
ketupat this from rice. Pilav. Bu pilav.
Pilav.
Yeah, but this one Hindistan Chevrisivia praklar from the coconut tree leaf. This one. So
Okay.
we put the rice. We put rice inside of the coconut tree leaves, bu, here, and then we boil. We boil that. Not boil. Kukus stem. We stem that. So it becomes like this, ketupat, pilaf. Bu pilaf. Saya ingin makan ketupat. when Bayram, mesela Ramazan Bayram bunu yiyoruz genelde. Her evde var burada. Böyle. Bayram, Ramazan Bayram yemekler için. Ketupat. Saya ingin makan ketupat. I want to eat ketupat. Kemana saya akan pergi? Where I will go if I want to eat this? Rumah
Rumah.
makan. Genelde. Rumah makan. Rumah makan means restaurant, right? Saya akan pergi ke rumah makan. I will go to the restaurant. Okay. What is rumah sakit?
Hastane. Hospital.
Hastane. Evet, hospital. So the answer is C.
C.
Evet. Apakah kamu belum bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia? What is the meaning of this?
Do you speak bahasa?
Belum bisa here means like
Belum
not
bisa.
yet. Have you
Have you? Yes.
yeah, have you spoken Indonesian yet? Have you be able Nasal ya? Apakah kamu belum bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia?
Can't you yet talk bahasa Indonesia?
Yeah. Have you get talk bahasa Indonesia yet? Something like that. So the answer is tidak, saya sudah bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia. No, I have been able to speak Indonesian. So it means like that. Saya sudah bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia.
I thought the answer would be D. Why not D? Like, tidak, saya belum bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia.
Because here, ablalar Bu, bir dakika sonra bitecek tekrar gir ya. Birazdan 1 minute later enter the link again. Because here like this. Apakah kamu belum bisa berbicara bahasa Indonesia? It's negative but asking. So when I translate this in English, maybe the translate is like this. Haven't you been able to speak Indonesian yet? So it's negative question. So when I say saya sudah bisa, for example here, apakah bahasa Indonesia mudah? Is Indonesian language easy? Iya, bahasa Indonesia sangat mudah. Ini Indonesian language is very easy. Very easy. Sangat mudah. Why not A? Because banyak mudah almost, yanlış. Banyak mudah is false. Because mudah is adjective. So we should use very easy is sangat mudah. Sangat mudah. Sangat mudah is mean very easy. Or
O zaman banyak teman.
Banyak teman olur. Çünkü teman
Böyle bir
isim.
şey bunu iletmek.
Nasıl abla? Tekrar söyle.
Banyak bir şey çokluğunu iletmek. Yani
Evet.
ne diyeyim?
Banyak bu çok
Mesela-
demek ama isim için sadece.
Banyak anak.
Olur. Banyak anak.
Değil mi?
Olur.
Aha, tamam. Onu
Yani
demek
çok
istedim.
çocuk.
İsim banyak. Aha, çok çocuk.
Evet.
Ama biz bir
Çok çocuk
adjektif
var.
olduğu zaman sen kullanıyoruz.
Evet, aynı. O yüzden
Tamam.
biraz farklı böyle.
Anladım hocam.
Mesela banyak bu sadece isim için. Çünkü mudah bu adjektif, sıfat, değil mi? Bu sıfat bu olmaz, o yüzden banyak kullanmalıyım.
Sıfatlar
Olmaz.
içinde
Sangat. Sıfat için sangat ya da sekali, değil mi? Sangat mudah ya da mudah sekali. It means very easy. So for adjective we use sangat or sekali to show it's very easy. But for noun, for noun, we use banyak. Banyak anak, this is for noun, we use banyak. Oke? Ada banyak anak, for example, çok var. There are many kids, many children, many. Oke. Zaman burada iya, bahasa Indonesia sangat mudah. Oke. Is there any question? Here, mudah sangat, almost. Mudah sangat is not true here, false. Because it should be sangat mudah, right? Not mudah sangat. Why this one is false? Susah sekali? Because he say iya here, right?
Iya.
It should be tidak. Yeah.
Evet.
If it is tidak, is it true? It is true if this is tidak, but because this is iya, so it's false. Okay. Oke, kita lanjutkan. To the next question. Setiap hari apa ada pelajaran bahasa Indonesia? This one, yeah. In what day? In every what day Indonesian language course? It's always, yeah. It's true ya, Hepsi. Setiap hari Minggu, setiap hari Senin, setiap hari Jumat, setiap hari Selasa. It depends on the course, right? So it
O zaman
depends on the
bizim
course.
mingo mu dememiz gerekiyor kendimiz için? Setiap hari no, not
Yeah.
mingo.
This one is Sabtu, right? So there's no Sabtu here. But it's no, it's true. All of them true. It depends on the course at what day. Okay. Gambar apa yang ada di dalam bendera Turki? What is the meaning of this? What is the picture inside of the Turkish flag? Hangi ne resim burada bu içinde? Bayrak içinde. Bu hangi gambar apa? With what kind of picture inside of Turkish flag? What is the answer?
Bulan sabit dan bintang.
Ya, bulan sabit dan bintang. So the answer is this, D. Bulan sabit dan bintang. Bulan sabit, what is the meaning of bulan sabit?
Ay yıldız mı?
Hilal.
Hilal.
Hilal.
Crescent.
This one, like this one. What is the meaning of bulan purnama?
Full.
Full, yeah, full moon, like total, full moon. For
Full
example,
moon.
just circle, we say bulan purnama. But when like this, hilal, we say bulan sabit. Okay. And then what is bintang?
Star.
Star. Yıldız.
Yıldız.
Yıldız demek. Matahari?
Sun.
Sun. Evet. Güneş ya. Sun. Okay. Is there any question? Tidak ada. Deva Medelim. Sedikit lagi. Askaldı. Sebentar lagi kita selesai. 2 pertanyaan lagi ya. Hayatımda en iyi arkadaş o. In my life, he is the best friend. The best friend. He is the best friend in my life. The meaning is this. How can I say in bahasa?
Dia sahabat.
Dia sahabat terbaik di hidupku. Ya. B. Because sahabat is means like yakın arkadaş. Kanka. Sahabat best friend. So hayatımda en iyi arkadaş o. He is my best friend in my life. Dia sahabat terbaik di hidupku. So the answer should be B. What is keluarga?
Family.
Family, exactly, family. Aile, sahabat, this means best friend. Sahib, Türkçesi yakın arkadaş. Paman, what is paman? Paman? Uncle, exactly, uncle. Bu, it can be amca or dayı ya.
Dayı.
Dayı, right?
Evet.
Paman diyoruz. Tante, what is tante? Aunt. In Turkey, hala ya. Hala ya da
Teyze.
teyze, evet teyze. Tante diyoruz. Okay. So, what is this baby doing? Bayi sedang memakai kacamata. This one ya. C. What is bebek means in bahasa Indonesia? Duck. Ya. Ordek demek. In bahasa Indonesia bebek we say ordek yani demek. But bayi it means baby. Bu yani bebek. Bayi sedang memakai kacamata. So it means like the baby is wearing glasses, right? Kacamata. Those look. Is there any question? Ada pertanyaan? Tidak ada? If there is no any question, I think it's enough for today. Abdallah? No question? Sorular var mı? Yok mu?
Teman, just friend. Sahabat
Yeah,
means
teman.
best friend.
Exactly. Sahabat is means best friend. Exactly. Okay. Other question? There, Larry? Var mı? No? If there is no any question, I think it's enough for today. Thank you for coming today's lesson. I will share the file later on WhatsApp. Okay, thank you, Kendini. Assalamualaikum. Have a good day.
Terima kasih banyak.
Ya,
Terima
sama-sama.
kasih.